say? Everything's bigger. Everything's better. But how are you going to get around?
Gee, I don't know.
You want to see more? More adventure? More fun? More for your family? You came to the right place, where the Lone Star and Blue Oval meet. More starts here, right now, at the greatest state fair in the greatest country on earth. Introducing the all-new 2025 Ford Expedition. Time to get more out of that weekend family roundup. Every adventure, every moment. Take your hands off the wheel and enjoy the highway drives. a better way to see it all. From Texarkana to El Paso, the Red River to the Rio Grande. Expedition is your partner on road and trail alike. Great power, more capability. More rugged options like the new Tremor off-road Expedition. More Texas, more fun. That's the all-new 2025 Ford Expedition. More starts here.
Good evening, Texas. How about that drone show? I'm Trevor Scott. I'm the general manager for Ford SUVs, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to the all-new 2025 Ford Expedition. Let's hear it. For nearly 30 years, Expedition has been helping our customers move the things that matter most in their lives, especially their families. and Texas is the largest market in the country for full-size SUVs. In fact, more than 1 in 5 expeditions sold around this country are sold right here in the state of Texas. Let's hear that. So when we went about redesigning and developing this all-new expedition, we knew we had to get it right. So we spent over 1,100 hours talking to customers just like you. To make it more versatile, we're introducing our class-exclusive Ford split gate, which easily transforms into a table or seating, paired with our exterior zone lighting, makes it perfect for that next football tailgate. To deliver even more capability, introducing our first ever Expedition Tremor, our most off-road capable expedition we've ever built. We also have our Ford Digital Experience, which keeps the family connected, whether you're doing gaming, conference calls, movies, and much more. We also have our latest generation of hands-free Blue Cruise driving, making that next road trip even more relaxing. The most important thing, Expedition helps you stay connected to the moments that matter most. More versatility, more capability, more technology, more opportunities to connect you to the people and the moments that matter most in your life. So with that, I bring you up, have a first look at our brand new 2025 Ford Expedition. Please come up on stage.
Come on, let's do it.
Give us a little bit of breathing room.
Excuse us. We gotta close it up. I've never seen it before. It's great.